All hosen, baby.
Dear Wiesen visitors, large bags and backpacks are...
Here in Munich at Oktoberfest, I'm wearing the traditional outfit and I have the sweetheart cookie around my neck. It's overwhelming. There's so many stands and foods and beers, so much going on. Me and Tyler just rode one of these dangerous ass rides.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So quickly.
It just started pouring out of nowhere, and God told me to wear a raincoat. Sorry. He's wet. This is my face before Olympia looping.
This is my face before Olympia looping.
What did you think? What did you think?
Look at my face.
I thought it was good. What'd you think?
It was smoother than most arrows.
Yeah. 50 years old, traveling Schwarzkopf. Look at the face. Smoother than most arrows.
Honestly, smoother than most arrows. Stop scared me.
We're gonna ride this slosh. This ride looks very scary. Very scary. Tyler's gonna say, "Oh my!"
Oh God.
Tyler got in behind me, and then the guy was like, "We were like, we're with Aaron," and the guy was like, "No." So Aaron's actually in the other car somewhere. This is scary. Spooky Jezbos. There's Aaron with his family, his German family. Da!
Servus. beiden Seiten wieder wieder nach hinten.
I don't know how you win, but she won.
She did win.
Und es fahren alle.
They call it some category. I qualified for it, but I was too slow. I'm not gonna run. But Tyler's in there.
Stopp! Was hast du für eine Hose an?
That was so insane in there. You definitely want to go to the, what do you call it? The flu, what do you call it? The Flutog? The Teufelsrad, the Teufelsrad Flutog.
I've been watching this on YouTube for years.
We've been watching it.
Is it 2 credits?
Yeah, we're gonna ride this Wild Mouse. It looks like it's 2 tracks, so it's 2 credits. That was the wildest mouse I've ever been on. Standard Wild Mouse. Now we're gonna do it again. It's crazy here because they made me store my book bag, so my book bag is like out in the front somewhere, and we have like, I have all this stuff and I had to put it in these lederhosen pockets, and I'm like trying to carry a drink, I'm trying to do all this stuff.
They let you go on the rides.
Yeah, they let you go on the rides with your drink. They're like, just take the soda on the coaster. We're gonna get another Schwarzkopf credit. Alpine Bahn was very forceful. Yeah, serious positive G's. I was in the, my butt was in the chair.
In there.
Woo!
That was fun though.
Yeah, it was really fun.
I was telling Tyler, I'm like really impressed with the complexity of the layouts for these rides, with how small they are, that they can be transported.
Yeah, these
They're more,
Schwarzkopfs.
they're like more elaborate than most permanent installations you find.
Yeah, there was like a little trick track section at the end. That was pretty cool. Because I thought it was over and it was like, nope. Like, hold your thing up.
What?
Hold your beer up.
Oh, yeah.
Your fake beer.
Alcohol free. I don't care.
That's what Aaron said. Aaron literally. I do not ride stuff like this. This may be the last ride I ever ride. Ever. I'm not even looking. That ride was sickening. Oh my god. Sickening. Fierce. Sickening.
This one don't look no better.
We found the American Music Tent. We're gonna ride another haunted attraction. Filming is verboten, so
Geister Palace.
you won't see it. But this is the Geister Palace. That haunted house was crazy. There was like 4 levels. It was super huge inside. Huge. The facades out here are crazy. Like all the rides are super super ornate. All the rides are super ornate. Where's Aaron and Tyler? There they are, looking, blending in. White people blending in. In this crazy fun house. Being flexible. Bend and squat. I'm so glad I got that on video. Oh my god! Little hamster. Ending the night on the Ferris wheel. You can see beautiful Bavaria, all of the lights, the beer tents. It's gorgeous. One of the things they don't really tell you about Oktoberfest is how meaningful it is to the culture and the people of Munich and Germany as a whole. You know, as Americans, sometimes we take these things for granted. We see them in the movies. They look like they're just, you know, entertaining dress-up games, but you can really feel the atmosphere. It's electric here. People are so welcoming. Everybody's so kind. Everybody encourages everyone to have such a good time. It's a judgment-free zone. There's LGBT, there's people of color. It's live. It's a magical place, and I'm really glad that I got to have this experience. It's just the craziness, the crazy level of the rides around here is like unbelievable, unimaginable. Let me get a damn bratwurst. I've been here this whole time, ain't had no bratwurst. Aaron, who thinks he's German, no, he is German. He tries to feed me bratwurst like at least a couple of times a month, so I'm excited to eat a real one. I've been feeling these rolls the whole time we're here, and now like when I get home, I'm only gonna eat my hot dogs and my sausages in these little buns. I love them. So good, so good. We're queuing for the world's largest transportable drop tower, and we're in a cattle pen. Say hi. It's like they got us locked in here. We're like 18 men. The drop tower was impressive, but it wasn't the scariest. It was just really cool. Yeah. Aaron. Do your serving platter. Serving platters. They have a Bahn curve that travels under a waterfall. I don't know when I'll ever be back, but if you're ever in Munich this time of year, you have to check out Oktoberfest. Like, I can't say nothing but great things about this experience.